Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video all about hormones, my bad. I have 4 different oils that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm actually currently on my period and it's kicking my butt, but I wanted to share with you guys a hormone support video because what's a better time to do it than when I'm already going through some hormones. So these are oils that I use routinely. Some of them I only use on my period as needed, but I'll explain that later on down on this video. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. So the first oil that I use every single day is Progessence Plus from Young Living. This is an essential oil blend. This is honestly just like a natural progesterone oil. I rub it on my belly, my inner thighs, and my wrist, and I alternate the applications every day so that I'm not rubbing it on the same place 2 days in a row. So basically this has in it, it's got balsam copaiba, sacred frankincense, cedarwood, bergamot, peppermint, and USP grade progesterone from wild yam extract. It's amazing, and it's also got clove in it. So this is a great thing. It's honestly, I'm not gonna make any claims, but I love this product and I got off of birth control, so I'm going the all natural route, and I feel like this has definitely helped me in more ways than one. If you know what I mean, you can kind of put 2 and 2 together and you can make a picture out of it. So that is one of my favorite oils. I use that every single day, literally without a doubt. And then when I'm on my period, I use clary sage. This is this is plant therapy. This is plant therapy clary sage because I like to use different essential oil brands because some of them are more expensive than others. So I like to usually get the most bang out of my buck with oils. So this is just regular clary sage. I love clary sage. I like to use this for period cramps. I basically take it and I'll dilute it with some carrier oil and I'll rub it on my belly where I'm cramping, and it honestly soothes my stomach, and I don't have to take Advil or ibuprofen or any of those things because this is amazing and it helps me so much. And if I didn't have this, I really don't know what I would do, because I know that ibuprofen and Tylenol are not good for you in the long term run. So I like clary sage instead. Also, I use this product a lot, but I don't use it like every day. Probably use it like 2 or 3 times a week. It's called Sclerescence. It's from Young Living as well. And this is a blend of clary sage as well. It's got peppermint, Spanish sage, and fennel. And this is a very floral oil. I like the smell of this. My grandma, funny story, my grandma took this because she's like new to diffusing oils and everything, and she took this and diffused it. And I was like, Nini, that's an oil for my hormones. And she just busted out laughing. She was like, oh, well, okay, that it smells good, so whatever. But it was really funny. So I really like Sclerescence. I like to put this on my inner ankles because I feel like I don't feel like your feet are the fastest areas for the oils to absorb to get to all points of your body. So that's why I put this on my inner ankles, because it absorbs the fastest and gets to all the points of my body that I need it to go to. So I love Sclerescence, really good oil. I would recommend it 10 out of 10. And then the last oil, I honestly have not tried this. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna tell you guys what I think because I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna tell you guys what it is because I was recommended this by another essential oil YouTuber, and she said that it's a really good oil. And she said it's super good for your hormones and such, so I'm gonna try it out. And it's called Galpal. It's a Synergy blend, and it's from Eden's Garden, and it has clary sage in it, lavender, bergamot, chamomile, cedarwood, ylang-ylang, geranium, fennel, carrot seed, palmarosa, vitex, and it's in fractionated coconut oil, which is the carrier oil. And that's a really good blend. It's got a lot of good hormone supporting oils in it. So I'm definitely going to share this on my Instagram stories about how I like it. So make sure to follow me on there. My Instagram will be linked down below, as well as all of my other social media accounts. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I'm so glad you guys clicked on this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.